still only 5:45 p.m. So technically it's still my work hours. But do I care? Not really. I don't care. Dito sa BGC, ang makikita mo lang na nagde-day drinking ay yung mga foreigner. Mga foreigner na malamang bakasyon sila dito sa Pilipinas. Other than that, it's very rare. So today, that's what we're gonna try to do. Day drinking here in BGC. Dito ako ngayon sa may tinatawag na High Street South. It's a new development dito sa may BGC. Kung alam niya yung High Street, Bonifacio High Street, that is the old establishments. May mga bago dito mga restaurants and mga bars, bagong bukas. And marami rin nagpupunta rito paggabi para uminom, kumain, mamasyal. But today it's only almost 5 p.m. Alas 5 ng hapon. Wala pa akong mga nakikitang umiinom. So let's see kung ano yung mga restaurants na nandito, no? This is called Bolero. Yan, bagong-bago yan, Bolero. This is High Street South. Over here, there's Denny's. Puro mga social yung mga restaurant and bar dito. Meron ditong Denny's. And over here they have Texas Roadhouse. This is Texas Roadhouse. Sa kabilang side there's Olive Garden. And that's Olive Garden. And then here katabi niyan is A1 Premium Shabu Shabu. There. Meron din dito mga pastry shops and coffee shops. But what I'm looking for right now, of course, is craft beers. Happy hour. This looks like a good place to drink. Tingnan natin kung open na sila. Hi. Dito sa High Street South, ito lang yata yung restaurant dito na merong ino-offer na craft beer. They have here, these are beers, Love Lager and Brew ng Ina Mo. These are local craft beers, microbrewed by, sino ka ba gumawa nito? I forgot. Salamat. This is Brew ng Ina Mo IPA. Made by... Walang nakalagay dito kung sinong brewer. But this is... I know this is a local beer. Thank you. It's 7% alcohol by volume. Yan. It comes with a chilled mug. Let's taste it. Naalala ko na kung sino gumawa nitong brew ng Ina Mo. Big Bad Brews is one of those microbreweries na one of the very first microbreweries na nakilala ko and tinikman ko. Look at this. This is Love Lager and brew ng Ina Mo. they also make these specialty beers called Poblacion. So what I'm drinking now is their IPA. By the way, nandito ako ngayon sa isang restaurant called Orient Pearl. Ang specialty nila dito, mga oysters. So they have over there an oyster bar. And it's a very, very cool place. Cool in the sense na it looks like an old-timey, tawag dyan, mga speakeasy kind of bar. Madilim, tapos it's very moody. Although may araw pa, maliwanag pa sa labas, pero pagpasok mo dito sa loob, it feels like gabi na. Kasi nga madilim. Kung maririnig yung music, I don't know if I can, if I'm allowed to let you hear the music here in YouTube. It's very jazzy. I like the vibe here. But of course, I like the beer here. So aside from the beer, syempre umorder tayo ng pulutan. This is tawilis. Sarap. Bagong luto. Bango. Sarap uminom dito sa Orient Pearl. Kaya lang, it's medyo pricey nga lang. But it's expected naman sa mga ganitong klase ng mga high-end bars and restaurants, lalo na dito sa bagong bukas na area ng BGC. So, itong isang bote ng craft beer na iniinom ko, this is one bottle costs 365 pesos. 365 pesos. And yung isang plato ng tawilis, crispy tawilis, is 270 pesos. Mahal. But okay lang. As long as I know I'm supporting local craft beers. It's very rare to see restaurants and bars here in BGC that offers craft beers, local craft beers. There are maybe a handful lang of restaurants and bars that I know of. Alam ko meron dyan sa may around sa Burgos Circle. Burgos Circle, there's a bar called Top Station. Top Station, yun talaga, yung specialty niya. Mga beer. They offer a lot of different kinds of international and local craft beers. And then aside from that, meron ding restaurant sa may Makili. It's called Outpost. Outpost Market. Yun naman, isang brand lang ng craft beer ang ino-offer nila. They have Monkey Eagle Brewing Company. Those are also good beers. So ang tanong, masama bang mag-day drinking? Is it illegal to drink while the sun is still out? Maybe it's bad if you're doing it during work hours. But actually, it's still only 5:45 p.m. So technically, it's still my work hours. But do I care? Not really. I don't care.